Hi everybody, this is Trisha from Crazy Engine Treasures and I have unboxings. I have yarn. I do. I have yarn. So let's figure this out. Let's get my handy dandy knife. Let's open this up. This is from Zulily. Zulily, I shop with them not only for clothes, but also get out of the camera. But also for yarn. Sometimes they have good deals. Sometimes they don't. Gus, get your nose away from my knife. Nose away from the knife. Ooh, 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 what did I get? What did I get? What did I get? 3 balls. Look at that. All of that packaging for these 3 balls of Kobu. Sit. Now. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 232 yards or 212 meters. It is a light 3. This is the color steel blue. And I have 3 of these already. So now I have 6. Because I am going to make a top with these. So yeah. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited to be working with this. I can't wait. I've never tried this yarn before. But now I've got enough to start my top. So, yay! I have Kobu. I have Kobu in steel blue. I love that color. So, yay me. And then I have another box from Amazon. Amazon. So again with their handy dandy knife. Oh, yay! More yarn. More yarn. Sorry for shaking the picture. I bought this off of Amazon. It was $4.77 a ball, but you could only get 4 of them. So I did. And then they wouldn't let me order more because I already had my 4. Truly sucks. But this is Polo Stripe. And I got all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and they're all individually bagged. Look at that. So I gotta start I'm making a granny square blanket with this. So I'll need more, but it's a start. See if I can't find another really good deal somewhere. But yes. Polo Stripe. God, that's just gorgeous. It's just absolutely beautiful. Look, center pull. I like that. What color does this start with? This starts with red. That starts with purple, so I might very well start with that one. But this one starts with that beautiful green color. And this one starts with red again. Goes to purple. So yeah. So, yay! Let me pause you. So yay! That's all my yarn I have to show you. It's a beautiful day here in Siemens. We got here yesterday. And it's been nice to be here as always. So I'm here for the week. Tearing the counter the cupboard doors are off downstairs in the kitchen because we have the paint for the kitchen. So I might as well paint while hubby is still sanding the living room floor, but he's almost got it done. So close to getting it done. And then we've finally picked a color for the stain. So hubby's going to go back to town. He's going to get some stain later on in the week, and he's going to pick up a load and bring a load back. And hopefully that'll be my workbench. So I can put my workbench right, not in that corner because that corner's full, but in that corner. That's where my workbench is going to go. Along that wall, hopefully. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So, we'll see. But yeah, that's all I have to show you today. There's my Kobu, and there's that. And I will let you know how I feel about working with them. I'm really excited to make that top with the Kobu. I am making cinnamon stitches, cinnamon stitches, easy breezy summer tank top. Again, because I really like that top. At least that's my plan right now. But I just had a thought. So maybe I'll change my mind about that. Who knows? But I'm going to get started on this granny square blanket because, God, those colors are just screaming out to me. Ever since I saw my friend, she made a top, my friend Sharon, she made a top with the same yarn in a granny square stitch. And wow, does that yarn ever come alive in the granny square stitch? It just really does. So that's why I'm making a big granny square blanket. I don't know if I'm going to do a rectangle granny square blanket or a square granny square blanket, but I'll figure it out when I start. Figure it's not too hard to figure it out. It's granny square. So yeah, other than that, I've been asked to go on Just Another Stitch tomorrow at 7, so that would be Wednesday, October 6th at 7 Central Standard Time. Connie from Just Another Stitch asked me to come on her panel, so I am going to be a guest on her panel. So I'm excited about that. I hope you all come and watch me and support me like you do all the time here, which I really appreciate. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me since I'm just starting out. It really does. So thank you so much. And other than that, I'm just unpacking. I've got more boxes to unpack, as you can see. Where are they? Oh yeah, there they are. More boxes to unpack. So, well, not that one. That one is my finished objects box. It actually has to come out so I can show some finished objects tomorrow night on the panel. But those two boxes need to be unpacked. That one especially. That one's from my workbench. So it's got some important stuff in there that I use all the time. But that's all for now. I just wanted to do an unboxing and a quick check-in. So this will be yarn unboxing number 2, I guess. And everybody, hope you have a super day. Bye for now. Peace.